For number 6, we're given 2 more triangles. We got to determine if they are congruent. Well, here we have an angle and an angle and an angle, but there is no such theorem. So we can't prove congruence because really, truthfully, we don't know if this side is the same length as this side. And you would say, well, Mr. Adams, what do you mean by that? Well, I could have a smaller triangle where this angle is congruent with this angle is congruent with this angle, and this. So these would be similar triangles with all 3 angles being the same, right? In other words, this one is proportional to this one, and they're similar, but I can't prove congruence unless I know for a fact that the side lengths are congruent. And I don't based on the information that's given. So again, I'm going to say can't prove. I just realized on my other video I said can't prove. Can't prove, cannot prove with this info.